In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Google News app. Very simple and easy. If you're new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. With you guys, I can change the language, you change your region of interest and all that on the app. So this is how the interface looks like. Good. And then you can switch to following and then follow some necessary, news or topics you want to be getting. Good. So you can see on here, I follow these things here. So you can move to library here to select the stuff you follow. Good. So when I tap on the library, view and manage, good, you can tap on the three dots there to stop following this topic. I undo, and then you tap on the plus button. On the plus button here to follow a topic, something like that. Very simple. So that's it on how to add topics to your favorites. So when you move to your favorite, you get them. You can add sources too, and the rest, very simple. So now when I come here, I'm going to get storage from New York Times too as well. Good. And on this section too is the newsstand. Just like I chose New York Times, you can select CNN and the rest. Here's the newsstands, the broadcasters in entertainment, technology, travel, and the rest. Listing to, you can tap on here to listing to instead of reading. Very simple. Now let's come back. Good. And now let's tap on our profile at the top right corner of our screen. Good. And then at the top right corner of our screen here, you can see you can switch your Google account between. You can tap on notifications if you have any notifications on the app. Let's go back there again, and then you tap on your new settings. So here is where you turn on and off notifications on the app. I've turned mine off automatically. You can toggle it on and off there. Good. You can turn on dark theme and light theme if you want to. Always, never. Good. And then you can toggle mini cards. The mini cards is going to affect how your news will be shown on there. Yeah. And then data saver, you have automatic, you can enable that, and that's it. And the location and then the interest of region, you can tap on here. Good. And I think I have a video on that. So let's say we want to add Australia. So we remove, you need to add a primary and a secondary. Good. So you tap on add languages. Good. And this is Australia. You tap on that there. And if I want to be getting the news on Australia, I'll have to make it primary. Sorry, I removed it. Tap again, Australia, tap on here again, and then make it primary. And now I come back and I should be getting news from Australia. You can see here. So that's it on how to use the Google News app. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Peace.